In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Namecheap email to Gmail. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. All right, let's dive right in. First, let's ensure you're ready to start. You'll need to have your Namecheap email account set up and also access to your Gmail account. We're going to link these two accounts so that you can send and receive emails through Gmail while using your Namecheap email address. Once you've confirmed that you have everything you need, head over to your Namecheap account. Log in and navigate to the dashboard where you'll find the section for your emails. From here, look for the option that says Email Hosting and select it. This is where you'll find all the details for your email account, including your email servers, which we'll need in a moment. Now that you're in the right place, you're looking for your email server settings. You will need both the incoming and outgoing server information. For most Namecheap email accounts, the incoming server will typically be something like mail.yourdomain.com, and the outgoing server will be smtp.yourdomain.com. Don't worry, if you're unsure, you can always check the support documentation for the exact server information related to your account. Next, let's switch over to Gmail. Open up your Gmail account in your web browser. Once you're logged in, look for the gear icon in the top right corner of your screen. Click on that and go to See All Settings. This is where we will configure Gmail to connect with your Namecheap email. In the Settings menu, look for the Accounts and Import tab. This is where you can add another email account. You'll see an option that says Add a Mail Account. Go ahead and click on that. A new window will pop up prompting you to enter the email address you'd like to add. Enter your Namecheap email address and click Next. From here, you'll select the option that says Import Emails from My Other Account, POP3, and then click Next. In this section, you need to fill out the details for your Namecheap email. Start with your username, which is usually your full Namecheap email address. Then type in the password you use for that email account. Now we need to fill in the POP server details. Remember the information we noted earlier? You'll enter that incoming server value here. The port number is typically 110, but if your Namecheap service requires SSL, you might use port 995. Let's check the box for Always Use a Secure Connection SSL when retrieving mail, if that's what you prefer. Once you've entered all the required information, go ahead and click on Add Account. Gmail will take a moment to verify your settings, and once it's done, you have the option to send mail from this email address as well, which is pretty handy. Just follow the prompts to configure sending options, and once that's all set, you're good to go. Congratulations! You've now connected your Namecheap email to Gmail. You can manage everything directly from your Gmail interface and enjoy the best of both worlds. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching, and happy email.